Are you planning to study or work abroad? Well, you've probably heard of IELTS, but what is IELTS? Well, it stands for the International English Language Testing System. So the International English Language Testing System, or IELTS, is one of the most popular English language tests in the world. It's designed to assess your English skills in 4 areas: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Over 3 million people take the test every year to study, work, or migrate to countries where English is the primary language. Now, there are 2 versions of IELTS you can take. The first one is academic IELTS, which is for people who want to study at universities or other higher education institutions. The second is general training IELTS, which is for people who are planning to work or migrate to an English-speaking country. Now let's talk about the test formats. You can take the test in 2 different ways. The first one is paper-based IELTS. You will write your answers by hand on paper. The second one is computer-delivered IELTS, and for this one, you'll type your answers on a computer. Both formats have the same content and scoring, so choose the one that works best for you. If you're not sure how to prepare for the IELTS test, make sure to check out our Band 7 Plus preparation course in the description below.